Clemson University and the Atlantic Coast Conference are due back in court tomorrow over a lawsuit the university filed earlier this year. Our Ray Urena joins us live outside of the Pickens County Courthouse. And Ray is there where this hearing will go down.
This is a lawsuit that could have millions of dollars on the line between the university's media rights and the conference's withdrawal penalty. Today, we spoke with an attorney about what a judge will have to consider.
The Pickens County Courthouse is the site of an ongoing battle between Clemson University and the ACC. In March, the university filed suit against the conference regarding its media rights, the conference's withdrawal fee, and whether the university has to act in the conference's best interest. Brandy Hinton is an attorney not associated with the case.
This is a contract dispute, and so the judge is required to look at that contract, look at the face of the contract. Is it clear? Is it unambiguous?
First up, the fight over the university's media rights. Clemson says their media rights are valid only while they're in the ACC, while the conference says they own them until 2036, whether they're in the ACC or not.
Clemson is saying that really limits their ability to market themselves to other conferences because with media rights comes financial gain for any conference and also for the university themselves.
The next thing a judge will have to consider is the ACC's withdrawal penalty to leave the conference.
And the ACC is taking the position that that's $140 million, which is 3 times their operating budget. What Clemson is saying is that is well over any other conference, and therefore it's unconscionable and should be void.
Lastly, the judge will have to consider the ACC's claim that Clemson is not acting in the best interest of the conference, known as a fiduciary duty, as part of their contract.
Clemson saying that they are not obligated under anything to have a fiduciary duty to the ACC, and even if they did have one, that by filing for this declaratory judgment, they are not violating any fiduciary duty.
And Ray, quick question for clarification. Pickens County is not the only courtroom where the university and the conference are currently in a legal dispute, correct?
That's right, Rashad. Over in Mecklenburg County, a judge yesterday denied Clemson's motion to dismiss a similar lawsuit, and that's a decision that university officials have appealed today. Now, both sides are due in court here in Pickens County tomorrow morning. Live in Pickens County, Ray Urena, WYFF News 4.